So guys, many of you have asked, how do I get my weapons bar and health bar on my vertical streaming? Well, I'm here to show you, so let's get straight on with the video. So to show you guys, I'm just going to be doing this on my OBS. But basically, what you want to do is click on the plus on sources. You'll do this on your vertical sources. Click the plus. Click on display capture and click OK. Click on whatever screen you want to use. I'll just use the monitor I'm using currently and say I want to bring up this fade word. What I want to do is click Alt and just make it to size. And this is basically what you do for your game health bar, like this. And then that's that. As you can see, that has brought it up. And what you do basically, this will be on your vertical, is you put it underneath your webcam, just like that. And as you can see, I'll keep that highlighted so you can see it. That is basically how you do your weapons health bar for your live streams, and that's what I've done with my vertical streams, so you guys can see what weapons I've got and how much health I've got, and also how many people's left or kills I have in a game. So to explain it in a bit more detail for you guys, basically you can do this with any game, whether that's Apex Legends, Ark Survival, GTA, obviously Fortnite, any game you can think of, you can do it. And you can also do it for like sub counts. I have a sub count on my vertical stream. I do that as well, but that's a browser source, so that's a different thing. If you need help with that, I can help you. So that's basically the end of the video. Hope this helped. If you have any more questions or want any more videos like this one regarding vertical streams or just normal Twitch streams, let me know and I will help you. And thank you so much for the support on the channel recently. Shout out to you guys, as this has been an amazing chance to get to know you guys, and also for me to be confident in myself talking to people. So you guys have helped me a lot. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.